Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can add rupee symbol in Excel. If you want Excel to treat the entry as a number so you can still add, subtract or run formula on it. For this you need to use the currency formatting. So for example, you need to select the cells containing your numbers and then you need to press the control 1 or you can go to the home, click on this found and click on this number tab and click on the currency on the left side, and now click on the symbol drop down menu and scroll down to select the English, India or Hindi. This is English, India or this is Hindi. So I'll be selecting English, India and click OK to proceed, and here it is. So when you select it, you can see that the average count, numerical count, minimum, maximum and sum, all the numbers are exactly showing in the bottom of the status bar. So this way you can easily add rupee symbol in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.